Namaste students. Today we are going to see the continuation of loops and conditional blocks in Scratch lesson. In last class we have seen about conditional control blocks. There are two conditional control blocks. They are if block and if else block. Today we will see about loop control blocks. Loop control blocks are divided into three types. They are forever block, repeat block and forever if block. First we will see about forever block. Forever block can be used to run the script inside again and again. You can drag other blocks in between the forever block. This is the sample script of forever block. When we click flag, the meow sound will be started. This is forever block. Next, repeat block. Repeat block loops the script specified number of times. For example, in this block the code inside will get repeated 10 times because we have given the number is 10. So the code inside will get repeated 10 times. This is repeated block. How many times we have given, up to that the code will be repeated. Next, forever if. It continuously checks if the condition is true and executes the script inside the forever block. This is the forever if block. We will see the example. See here, if the condition touching color is blue, then the output will be displayed. Here the output is play note 60 for 0.5 bits. If the touching color is blue, the output will be displayed. Next we will see about other control blocks. There are 6 other control blocks. Wait, when key pressed, broadcast and wait, stop script, stops all scripts. First we will see about wait block. Wait block pause the script for specified amount of time. If we give 1 second means the script will be wait up to 1 second. Next, when key pressed block. When specified key is pressed, then script starts running. List of key options can be seen by click on down arrow in the block. We can choose which key we need. If we type space key means we can press space key. If we select down arrow key or left arrow key or right arrow key, when whatever key we selected, if we press that key means the output will be displayed. Next, broadcast. Broadcast script send messages to all sprites and then continues to the next block without waiting. This is the script for broadcast. Next, broadcast and wait. This script send message to all sprites and waits until they finish before continuing to the next block. This is the script for broadcast and wait. Next, stop script. Stop script stops the current script. What is the current script? The stop script will be stop. Last, stops all scripts block. This block stops all the scripts in all sprites. For example, it will be close. This is the last script for other control blocks. Thank you, students.